up, YouTube? It's your boy Trap, yeah, and I'm having a little deja vu right now. Cause I'm back with another banger. Look, today we are doing a loyalty test on my dog, Clamp. Clamp God, Timothy Carter, whatever you want to call him. We doing a loyalty test. And I got my dog, Mythical. Just the perfect test. Come on, you guys just. You think he gonna pass? I don't think he can handle all that. Turn around, what do you do? Wait, do the little thing, It's over with. We about to set the camera up. Had it. I'm gonna introduce her as my girl. You feel me? And let's see if he loyal or not. See if he a real solid one or he just can't take the heat when he get in the kitchen. You hear the camera. You think he gonna see that?
No, it's covered.
Yo.
I'm here, bro.
You outside?
Yeah.
Alright, bro. I'm coming around. You just act sexy. You gonna make this nigga fold. Yeah. What up, man?
What up?
What's up, baby? That's what I said.
Come on,
Maybe that's all right now.
Hi. I'm Steve.
See you in my new stuff.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
I see that.
Dig. That's my new shit though, bro.
Oh, yeah?
We vibing. Like, tell her.
Yeah. We're having a good time.
Where y'all met at?
Shit, I met her like 2 weeks ago at Igor. Some shit like that. Some little boy.
Go down in Evo, man.
What? Let me see. You go shoot? Where you at? My little boy. Man, bro. Shit.
What is 2K? What's going on?
Right there. Yeah. Switch it. No. Sheesh. Who you picking?
What about you?
100? Huh? You saw him?
Yeah.
What you want?
Sushi.
He bounded anything that he catch me empty the I'm coming up the thumb, move like a mummy, you got me funky. With this about money, the thumb.
But no, though, you fucking with the bro?
Mm-hmm.
Y'all like close? Y'all like...
I mean, you know, it's casual. I like your tattoos.
Appreciate it.
Me out of pocket, I be acting rude. Think I gotta chill, check my attitude. When you gon' start acting brand new. Baby girl, you know that's what the mans do. I be out of pocket, I be acting rude. Think I gotta chill, check my attitude. When you gon' start acting rude.
Hold on. What you talking about? I gotta pause the game real quick, because
Yeah.
I don't really know what you're talking about.
Oh, fun? You don't like to, you know.
Oh, like fun.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Oh shit, I don't
Yeah.
know. Like,
What?
You here with my bro, right?
And so what?
What you mean? Yeah.
What's the issue?
That's my bro.
Okay. So,
That's my
are you
bro.
really gonna turn down all this?
That's my bro.
All
like,
this?
Why you doing me like this? Like, you tripping.
You can turn down all that?
Oh shit, she tripping.
That's crazy.
I know, I don't wanna look.
Why?
Cause
It's okay.
Nah, see
It's
like
okay.
you tripping. I mean,
Really?
that's the bro.
It's not that serious.
It's not.
It's really
I mean, you look good and shit, I'm not gonna lie.
it's really not that serious.
It's not.
Okay.
You know, say nothing.
No, I'm not gonna
Sure.
say anything. Why would I say anything?
But I can't be my bro like that, bro.
Yes, you can.
Ain't y'all like this? Y'all like this? He just told me you his new girl. When he say it's his new girl, he just snapped you as his new girl. Like, you feel me?
It's okay. It's casual. It's casual. It's fine. Do you ever make any content?
Content?
Huh?
Nah, I don't make no content.
It's fine.
Yeah?
Yeah, it's all good.
I can't
What?
do it.
You're so shy.
I cannot do it.
Stop being so shy.
Oh my gosh, bro. What am I doing?
It's fine. He's getting food. It's okay. I'm not gonna tell if you don't tell.
Ain't no way. This gotta be. This a prank.
A prank?
This gotta be a
Does it
prank.
seem like a prank?
This gotta be a prank.
Mm?
He just said you his new girl. How would he feel if he knew he was doing this?
He's not gonna find out. He's not gonna know.
He not?
Mm-mm.
Why are you saying like this?
Mm-mm. You wanna touch it?
This gotta be a prank.
Why would I prank you?
This gotta be a prank.
I would never do that.
It
I would never.
gotta be.
I'm just trying to have some fun, that's all, you know?
It gotta be like. You sure this ain't no prank?
No, it's not a prank.
Nah. Nah. This gotta be a prank. Let me see how far bro is.
Yeah, see how far he
Let me
is.
see how far he is.
He's far. It's fine. We have plenty of time.
Yo. You on your way back, bro? Alright, bro. How long you about to be? Alright, bet. Say that. He said he about to be like 5 minutes.
That gives us plenty of time. Come on. Let's go to the room.
Nah, I can't, like. Nah, I can't.
You really turning all this down right now?
I mean.
Really?
You look good, but it's just loyalty, like. I can't.
Loyalty.
I can't fold. I can't fold on my bro. Like, I see if you like just a, like, you feel me? Like, but I can't fold on a bro. I can't. You look good though. You look good though.
I think you can.
I can't.
You want a massage?
I can't do it.
Loosen you up?
I mean, a massage won't hurt.
Massage won't hurt, right?
Nah.
Here.
It might. Hold on. That's too much. I can't do that with my girl. My dog girl. I can't.
Oh, you're a girl now.
Nah. I'm
you're a girl now?
tripping. I'm tripping. Nah, you're not. But nah, he said he about to be like 5 minutes.
So what's wrong with a little massage? Loosen you up.
I can't do it. I can't do it.
That's crazy.
I can't even focus on this game because you're next to me and shit.
Right.
Oh my.
Is that nice?
I'm kind of tight for real.
Oh, that basketball.
Nah.
Yeah.
I don't really. I mean, Chop probably not gonna care anyways.
Right. He's not gonna mind.
Nah.
And he doesn't need to know.
That feel good. I ain't gonna lie.
Yeah.
You know Chop.
Yeah.
He got hoes anyways.
Right. You got hoes. I got hoes. We both got hoes.
Y'all got some hoes, huh?
We can share all our hoes.
Oh, for real?
Have a good time.
I'm gonna have to tell him though.
Why?
But we can.
We can.
But I'm gonna have to tell him. He not gonna care though. I'm telling you, he not gonna give a fuck.
Okay.
We just gonna, you feel me? You just gonna be in a circle.
Yeah, in a circle.
You know what I mean? You gonna be in a circle like just a game. He gonna know he not really gonna give a fuck.
Right. I mean, sharing is caring, you know?
Maybe we.
Don't text him.
I'm not. But after I'm gonna have to tell him.
No, we don't have to tell him nothing.
Cause maybe after we might, can you feel me?
No. know I had to double it.
You like it rain for real.
Oh, that sounds like a lot of fun. Actually. Shit.
There with John Morant, and it's Brooks in at the small forward position. And for the Trailblazers, Anthony Simons out there with Damian Lillard. Then it's Yusuf Nurkic, and it's Josh Hart. Now here's...
Well, you don't want me here.
He's crazy. He was feeling all up on me while you were
She
gone.
capped, fam.
I did not feel comfortable.
She capped,
He needs to
fam.
get out. Me or him.
She capped, fam.
Me or him.
She capped.
He was all up on me
Fam.
while you were gone.
You want to do that? I was on the game, fam, chilling, fam. She all up on me, rubbing on me. I mean, I
would never do that. Do you really think I would do
And then
that to
she,
you?
out of nowhere, fam, you trying to have fun? I'm just
Get him
stopped.
out of here right now. He's a liar. He needs to get out. He was all up on me.
Fam, I'm like, what? Fam, I'm like, what type of fun you trying to have? You gotta be like, you feel me? She's talking like, you know what's up, like on game, fam. You know it's a prank, bro. It's a prank. I knew it was a prank, fam. Look, bro, look. You see that? Wow. Do you like that game? Do you like what? You know, Sharon. I ain't wanna take your sauce for it. Well, what she was doing? I'm like, damn, you do look good, though. But I can't fold on the boom.
Nah, bro, I gotta see if you was solid, though, okay? Man, subscribe, bro. I just got my dog Clamp and my homegirl Mythical. You already know how it go.
You crazy.
We vibing, bro. I'm gonna keep dropping these levels.
Tell me how don't turn me down. Baby girl, come turn